In this lesson, we're going to be discussing how SEO, or search engine optimization, works in Ceros. We will review how SEO is defined, how it works with regards to the content you create in Ceros, how to configure it inside and outside the studio, and best practices for your short and long-term strategies. Let's get started. SEO is the process of getting traffic to your website from organic or natural search results on search engines. In general, the higher your content is ranked on search engine results pages, or SERPs, the more visitors it will ultimately receive. Depending on the SERP and engine, you're probably going to want to rank within the top few results when it comes to organic results. You can supplement that with ads or paid content as well, which can also bolster your search rankings as part of your overarching social strategy. When it comes to Ceros, all content is created in JavaScript, but no script HTML is generated in the background as well. This means that all of your content is automatically visible and indexable for Google. Additionally, you are able to add and clean marked up HTML code into an experience inside the settings panel in the studio if you'd like. There are many different ways you can optimize your site for search, including editing content to appeal to your target audience, trends, or current events, adding content on specific topics or product and service areas, cross-linking content to or from different pages on your site where relevant, backlinking content to or from another website or key source, and optimizing your content for mobile devices and platforms. In the next video, we'll talk more about defining your SEO strategy.